Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do the unboxing, I guess, of my Crafter's Companion collection. Now, this collection was sold a few months back on HSN, and it sold out before I could make up my mind as to whether I wanted to buy the whole thing or not. Because it's really heavy on the pink side, and you guys know how I feel about pink. So I was like, but there was one dye in it that I really, really wanted, and so I was like, And then when I went to go check out, of course, it was gone. So Crafter's Companion actually had it back on their website when it launched in the UK. But since it was already here, we had a discount. Woohoo! Plus my club member discount. So I'm going to show you the Nature's Garden Beautiful Butterfly collection. Now, on their site, it came with a tape runner. And I don't think I've ever used one of their actual tape runners. So we shall see how that goes. So there. Now, I'm not sure if on HSN there was other papers or anything like that with this, but here's most of the collection anyway. So first off, let's start with this. This is a stamp and die set that layers, and look at that rose. Isn't it cute? It's so pretty. And it's actually bigger than I thought it was, so I played with this one. Can you see? So I was so excited because it has the flower and it has the dies. So just let me show you. And if you would like to see a demo of the layering stamps, let me know. I know somebody, I don't remember who asked me, but they asked me what ink to use for layering stamps, and I use the Crafter's Companion quick dry inks because I just bought a whole bunch of those. So there's those. I did some yellow, and then of course I did the leaves. So that's this one, and you see how big it is. I was surprised. I thought it would be a small one. I was like, woohoo, hey. So you get that in the collection. Then there is this stamp set, and it has its die as well. And of course, it's butterflies, because it's the beautiful butterfly. So that's a pretty one. And it comes with the dies as well. So you know I always love a stamp and die combo. Now, I have talked about in the past how they get on my nerves with so many butterflies. But when I talk about that, I mean like your just regular plain, oh, it's a butterfly. But when you come up with some like fabulous designs in a butterfly, then I'm all like, I need that. I need that. Okay, they had another set of stamps, which are sentiments. It seems like I'm missing something, but maybe I'm not. Maybe that was the other collection. So they had these stamps, and it's like a variety. So you've got sympathy, a note, get well, anniversary, and so forth. I'm not going to read all of it to you, but it covers a variety of things, and they're a decent size. I like the font. So you have those 4 things that came. Then, of course, you get an embossing folder. So this is the embossing folder. I believe it's a 3D one. And here you can see it better there. I haven't used this one yet. So you can see that. Love it. Then, of course, now we get on to the dies. Well, you had an edge die. Well, I don't want to say edge die, but you had a decorative die. And you could actually keep making it longer. You just line it up here and make it longer, but so you have that die. It's gorgeous. I even like the color. I like this color green that they used in this collection. Then they have this frame, and to be honest, this frame is smaller than I thought it was, but it's still a nice size. Then you have the larger frame, which looks like the little doily. Love that. And it is a large one. It is 6.1 by 4.1, so definitely a big frame. And then the piece de resistance. This is why I was in love with this collection. Look at this freaking butterfly. Do you see that butterfly? Yes, you can see it. And then look at here. Look down here on the side. What do you see? 1, 2, 3. 3 levels to this die. And then I'm going to turn it over. Do you see how big this mug is? I'm just going to pull it out so you can see how big that mug is. Look at that. I have big old man hands, and this die is huge. And so there's 3 of them. Now, after waiting, I don't know how many months to be able to get this, and then I waited over a month to get it when I ordered from Create and Craft. I mean, not Create and Craft, Crafter's Companion, because it took so long. You know, the first thing I cut was those dagnab butterflies. Now, this is so fun. Look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo. If you cut so many of them and put them together. But that's not what I originally did. So, here's this one. You see the 3 levels? Ooh. How beautiful. It's flying. Fly, butterfly. And I will say too, this is a good. Now you will get scraps from 6x6, but because they are so large, they do fill up a good portion of a 6x6 piece of paper. So look at that. You can make them brown so they look more mouthish. Look at that. So beautiful. Not beautiful, beautiful. What? Butterful. How is that awesome or what? So yeah, I only made 6 and it looks huge. It's so fabulous. I love it. The whole reason why I bought that. Whole reason. Then of course, you know, there's always a paper pad where there's a 12x12 or a 6x6, and this one came with 12x12. Now you see what I mean? It was like really pink heavy. So I was like, But you guys know I do love the teals. So I'm just going to flip through this real quick for you. And in the back, they have some cutouts so that you can use these as toppers. See, I do like this mint and this blue right here. And then the pink I'll just make for somebody who likes pink. So you got your back and your front. It kind of has that wallpaper feel to it. I really like this color. It looks like a gray green or a green gray. It's really pretty. So, yeah. You'll also probably see this in my Mayflower collab because it's all flowers. I love this because it's my colors. I love that one. See, like the burgundies I can get with, it's the pinks. I'm just like, It's not so bad in a flower because, you know, flowers come in all colors, but pink is just not my color. It's way too girly. So that is the collection. I just thought I would do a whole separate video because it's fabulous. Let me put butterflies back out here. I can't help it. I can't help it. It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Not gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. All right, so now here at the end of this video, I have a question because somebody asked me about this and I can't remember who over on Facebook. So I have a ton of Crafter's Companion stuff in addition to all of their machines, except the mini. So they asked me about a collab with Crafter's Companion. So let me know if you are interested in doing a collab for June using Crafter's Companion products as the focus. If you would be interested in seeing that, and also let me know if you would be interested in participating in that. Now, keep in mind, in order to participate in my collabs, you have to be an active subbie. And yes, since it is a YouTube collab, it has to be YouTube videos. So people keep asking me questions. Well, what if you don't do videos? Then you can't be in a video collab. You can still play along, but you can't be in the collab because you're not doing videos. So just let me know if you'd be interested in that, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Be safe and keep healthy.